Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, the one thing that we can say for certain is that the battle between Dino Melaye and Yahaya Bello, the governor of Kogi State, is a war without end. This is a battle that will last a lifetime, and when the two of them end up either in heaven or in hell, probably the latter, they will still continue the battle there. So now we have the latest missive in this ongoing, endless, never-ending drama. So Governor Yahaya Bello is requesting 30 billion from CBN. I have written the CBN governor not to release the money, Dino Melaye. So this is what Dino Melaye has put out. So this is his Twitter handle. Governor Yahaya Bello of Kogi State is requesting 30 billion from CBN. I have written the CBN governor not to release the money to the Squandermania Akitolita. I'm going to attempt that again. Akotilita governor. I'm not quite sure because Dino Melaye's handle on the English language is a bit higher than mine, so I have to look that word up. So he is trying to raise money for the November election. So this is what Dino Melaye has put out on his Twitter handle, because of course he's in this endless battle with this governor of his state, and it's a war without end. So in this war, of course, I'm on the side of Dino Melaye. I mean, they are both crooks, they are both criminals, but really Dino Melaye for me is a bit more fun. At least he knows that he's a bit of a joke figure, and he knows that really he's doing something naughty and something not right. But the arrogance of that Yahaya Bello is just beyond me. You know, he's a silly little man. He's a young man, youngish. For a Nigerian politician, he is young. But really, you don't see that reflecting in his demeanor and his carriage and the way he presents himself. He's just a clown of the first order. And the more of a clown that he is, the more reason why he's a clown, rather, is that he takes himself seriously, not knowing that he's actually a clown. This is what really makes him funny. At least Dino Melaye knows that he is a clown, and he plays up to it. So on that, at least it gives us the comedy angle, and we know that he's a thief, but at least we can laugh at him. But really, in the battle between Yahaya Bello and Dino Melaye, I am on Dino Melaye's side. But whose side are you on? Come have conversations with me about Dino Melaye and Yahaya Bello in the comment section. But before you come have that conversation with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then come have this rather silly little conversation with me in the comment section. Let's have a laugh about it. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.